Now, I'm here just for around one or two things. Mena Machiel Obedo. There was a video that I took last year. I'm not telling you to how Fufa Drum was. I'm just going to pick a clip from what happened last year. Atake Lewu in I'm going to compare with the Fufa Drum of this year, 2023. Jama Paul Tiye, Nyaber Mike Colodero, and let's go. Man, a bit of fans. I don't know Yom to Mighty Akii-Bua Stadium. That was last year. You did a melao to who? Keretoro. Jama Mighty Akii-Bua. One was Manu Beru. You meet Charaduang to 12. Karame Lano Tetu Kutor. Eto Gina Chella Mamaho. Wow, me da holding on. Mepe posting video ni. Anahem Hokarti. Agwahokum na hatina. Udilu better meet ba? Udilu better meet. Eka, Nyoan was just trying to walk through the background. Mene no metia timere outside the pitch. Ame uniluoni behind the scene. Warna komicha duongye. Ana bina discovering ginana chel ni. Ena kom jo beru ni. Nahamero Romo Lego tuote chang. Mount hime di leka Akii-Bua. Itina no leo burpingi. Como dio, malaria dio, tengo here, guvure tumu koi come, enung noti kanu girang, ena obedo fan, Melao province. Le chak juar lego ke wile, juara lagi wile, juara lagi wile. Lego ba? Le na te lego ni. Tida ena keto ko ducho. Utuwe kom duch. Tia tuwe jogi, amekelo ngohere. Le in pene ni leo no ticket ko Nile. Cha. Nile special ba. Dang ke chwar leo ko. Ai do. A chwe te win leo ko. Ka ruma dok pe. Ai. Now, atwe win man. Yamal. Atwe te cha ko yiti bel. Makolo eto gufu ko no pot pe ko ya eto gire ngeche do ti chak duo ko mere discovering Jama Paul yo ba kum na rawti gina yen na mat ko eno witi ber no leo bin ya ma ko kire macha da yin ber no neno na cha tante tuer ko mera ko ai do lo ate ya ko a te tamani ko lo kire pasta no Pasta. Oh my God. Ole tuo ngoni. Ere yellow pasta dang ba. Yellow pasta right tame ruma. Ruma dil tia wara nyim yomi tie. O bara gernuti kuno kom. Jamira biru bera ba. Enu ni bera no. Pero lego no riuri. Lego riuri. Amane ni ano macha tame kod gina ron mo yoko. Kai koda hawata Akii-Bua. Hata what? Ero gina challa monia mana training your cop. The security team meti Lira City. Kuwe kiri yo metalo yo Fufa Drum. In fact, you deserve flowers for what you did that day. Akii-Bua Stadium. Mando no yo mita kende. Jo metenga. Now, yo mita tieni. Okay, onwete koni pijame obedo I previous udilo My bed.
I take it not le gindi mo be o man away mo mo Allah do ko do wor ko mo pe ngor pe.
Oh my goodness, the vibe and the energy my fans, my Acholi province, Kelewa, that day, you will not believe. Alo keda chola chela mo ya kid go, yeah, from Gulu, I mean. Maybe for the fufa drum, I'm a very la endo cha so roti, tede binuti ko Lira. E wora enda ta mena de timo. E worko. Eto no kuchere duonga pelare.
Kina lao kidi Kigezy.
Actually, I'm run by name. War it is.
War we take.
Oko ni umega balo lao kan. Umera pa wek yata.
Po wegeta.
War du vuro ko kan. E chao ni dong uti ya ana dila to me. Ento me dogang. Ero odilo ma beriken Kigezy gen ke lao province. Actually, first up odilo better be. Bad side. Laki no joti apimo gubo warege. At the second half, lang you don't you bal mugale. Ole jo don't tell you jame du chingom.
Lord de como bal.
Lord, I actually come not.
Okay, a day come not.
Nero chene lang province mean. Jawat tingi ko this year.
Tingi coffee. Lao province oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
Lao province oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
Actually oh yeah?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
This was the team of people who did Pashu. And peace was obtained. The movement was just very good because the security was tight. Kain hani Mighty cheer from Akii-Bua stadium. Adojuta donya leaving the stadium and getting out. You see endless line of people. Joamete wotitien. Joame angwechu peak. Joamete angwechu toha. And this is just one side of the road. Now, police obey patrol full time. Enamo chiba. Joamete wotitiengi. Joamete patrol car. Joamete UP. This was very good. And we see the team leaving. You are very young like Kongi, and beautiful Guinea. Ginda don't do dollar yet get out him. Now, Manu Beru Koriginamiro Pegihi. Wana Sharla Cow Dilutier, we have to be there full time to support. Me Chahua, Mewing loud and Tier Malu. I can say Kitty Gay, Kitango, Kitamiero, Pianu Jamadishita Watango, Chawata Bear. Korika kan yer chawani in pe wor kom ler kitiba yari he nuru jo duty te border eka jo te border jota wai gewa, but there was peace. The police ambulance in case of gineke na motie ambulance no tie an kum ya beruka yom, and I don't know the other side of the road, but I want to believe Lira was secured from Akii-Bua stadium. Medak Pashu. Kado pehamoro bedatie. No better may be late when everyone had left the stadium. I got the police team that don't know Timo. Oyagi no. Langi amenu tie an number gi pera won kobo medu kiri chole mo bino pera won kobo because the number was big. I'm doing this pijame missing being at the Akii-Bua Stadium. Some of the stories no pera will captured. Yes, that is the police truck. New Mobile yacht. And from Kanamachung yani Achung from the All Saints University ground. Just here. Here is a little bit out and just at the crossroad. The other side that comes from the cultural center Mighty Akii-Bua being to Akii-Bua Stadium. Then the other side where the parking was the All Saints University ground, the new campus site, and it's just peace. Jote water higi yom deal to go like no any other day would be like this day. We all for other better days, but this very day I have to recommend this the Acholi province team. Bye poi supporting wow poi binu berkira. Next time we are coming to Gulu. Kado dir motie wana do jolo pene Lira kane. Kana koni kushinutie kana ken yini piem koni kushunungo petie. But all along the way petting my choro rivi moro ngatora tia kok kon kani bagero ruin koni ngotie because people were moving in peace. Yo. Nero kuye. Thank you very much, Pijame Bedo, full-time on my YouTube channel. Nyambedo Michael Odero. I have a lot of content that I give out to Jo. Tutwale Jo wamenu maro jama mengo meana timo. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Come, just find time. You go to YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please, if you're here, please hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thank you very much. Now, if you're watching me from TikTok, Facebook, and some other apps outside, in the description bar there, I'm going to put my link to the YouTube channel so that you also subscribe and support me on YouTube, because I have a lot of content that I give out. The people are singing on the street. You know, you wear a raj, you wear a microphone. People are singing, and then there is we're also on the street. Or pulling out entertainment industry. Make a better where you pe nyero ka jam ileb jo kene ko nyerang ilebwa nugino yomu yewa kom ileba ya ileba ba ileba tat kene nyangu jam mogo appear gitego. And thank you very much. I'll be very grateful. And please hit on the subscription bar, and if there is anything, I am very open to receiving advice. Kakoporotie, just tap on me on my send me a text message, write on the comment section. It will reach to me, and we're going to go far